Hey everyone, Daniel Rubino here, Windows Central, and check it out. This is the ASUS Mothership, one of the most exciting devices announced here at CES 2019. What's it all about? Well, I'm going to tell you next. Stay tuned. At first blush, when you look at this thing, you're thinking it's a giant laptop. In fact, it's a 17-inch laptop, and that is some of the origins of this device, except I'm not gonna lift the lid here. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna press down and actually shoot that kickstand out, and now it is gonna be a full desktop PC. Okay, now one of the reasons why ASUS is doing this is what they found is typically when you take a laptop and switch it around, you get better ventilation, and that's sort of the theory here. You have all the computer components behind the display, and that allows better ventilation, so you get very good performance out of this, even compared to the top of their line gaming laptops. And this opens up all sorts of new possibilities, including this unique keyboard. So this keyboard design kind of looks like the Zephyrus a little bit. You still have the trackpad here, this regular keyboard with the zone lighting. But this is where it's going to change. You can pull this keyboard off now and flip it around and use it this way. And that's because this keyboard has three different ways of connecting to it. You have the pogo pins, which we were just using for a direct connection, but it also has a 2.4 gigahertz wireless connection, or you can use as USB Type-C. And if you don't even want to use this keyboard at your desk, you could just plug in any regular keyboard to it and use it that way. So just all sorts of configuration options available. Now, because of the new design abilities here, they do have 4 speakers here in the front, each powered with separate amps. Look at the display, we're talking 17-inch, full HD, 144 hertz G-Sync ability. Now to look at the top here, you do have a regular webcam placed there, as well as Windows Hello facial recognition support. Look at the input-output stuff. You do have a full SD card slot, along with a USB-A, HDMI, and of course the power, as well as USB Type-C with Thunderbolt 3 support. Turn to the left-hand side, again, USB Type-A, another Type-C, full Ethernet port, and 2 more USB Type-A ports. Now when it comes to power and performance, well, you have a lot of options here. It does go up to a Core i7-8750H. You're going to have that NVIDIA RTX 2080 GPU, and it should perform very well considering the configuration of this device. You can go up to 64 gigabytes of RAM if you want to, although it'll come configured with 24 gigabytes. It is all user accessible. And when it comes to SSD, well, again, it gets really unique. You can have 3 SSDs in this thing, all going to be M2 PCIe NVMe, and 2 of them are actually bridged right to the CPU, and that gives you a lot more bandwidth. The performance on this is supposed to be 8 gigabits per second for transfer rate. It's going to be one of the fastest RAID 0 systems you can build on a PC. It's really incredible, and we'll have to put it through its paces. All right, so there's a quick look at the Mothership, one of the most unique PCs we've seen here at CES 2019. Leave me a comment below, tell me what you think. Is this something you're gonna want to pick up yourself? Now, if you're wondering about pricing and availability, well, we don't quite have that information yet, but it won't be too long, and it probably won't be cheap either, but hey, we all can aspire to something. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care, everyone.